Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing video from Red Dellum. Today I will be unboxing this, as you can see in the corner there. What is it? Well, you'll find out if you haven't read the title. So I don't know why you clicked on the video without reading the title. As you can see, I bought it on Amazon, but it came from Japan, which is farther than I'll ever go. Probably. I don't know. It's not that I don't know. Okay, so I'm super excited, and because I want a reveal sort of idea going on here, there is that. What's going on here? Oh, a receipt. Hope you didn't see that because I think it had my address on it, and it's taped to a box at the bottom. Everything is going bump. Oh wow. Yeah, maybe I should have brought a knife. Oh, never mind. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. If you're wondering, this is my first PVC figure, manga, anime related. Yes, I waited a week for this, believe it or not. I don't know if I'm sure if I actually did the intro I wanted. If I didn't, then maybe I'll put it in somewhere random. I don't know. So there's this interesting tissue paper. Oh, the box is shiny. Oh, I think I bumped my mic. The box is shiny. You can see that. That is awesome. Okay, so there's a bunch of Japanese writing on here that I cannot read, unfortunately. So, yeah. The box looks nice. The front is sparkly. I don't know if you can see that. This thing is... I think a ruler might work. Nope. Okay. Well, it didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a knife to cut the tape here. Be right back. Oh yeah! Alright, got a butter knife. Let's see. I'm trying to make it so you can see. And a butter knife was probably a bad idea. Oh, no. Okay, it worked. Perfect. It worked perfectly. And remember, always cut away from yourself. There we go. So, will I keep this box? More than likely. I have a closet full of boxes. Well, not really. No, I think I have 2 boxes left. Ones that I actually use, by the way. Okay. Probably use that butter knife for my lunch later. Oh, so you can almost see it. Almost. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but oh my. So exciting. So exciting. Okay. Good Smile Racing, okay. And I'm assuming this is the instructions or whatever. I don't know. So, there's tape here. That's good to know. Tape here. This thing is well packaged. I'm glad. I don't want it breaking on the way. Let's get her hair out. Let's free her hair. Free the hair. So there's her hair. There's one piece of her hair. I'm not even looking at the screen. I'm so excited. I should be looking at the screen. I hope you can see. Okay, then there's one more way in there. Okay. That was just me pissing off at the cover. So there she is, in all her absolute glory. Not put together yet. I want to put her hair in. Let's see. So I'm assuming this is the right hair. Left hair, sorry. Okay. Oh, that went in good. Helps if I put it in the right way. You know what? Maybe I should have looked at the instructions. Where are they? Oh, that's the receipt. Instructions are on the floor, way down there. So that's the instructions. I don't know. Yes! Oh, that is so satisfying. Oh, okay. After many, many failed attempts, plus so much time, I have finally got both of her hair pieces in. So, I'm sorry I haven't talked so much. I'm just super excited. I also really don't want to break this thing. So this is the stand. That also comes with it. Not super detailed, but that really doesn't matter because the figure is, and the figure is amazing. So it just goes on the stand like that. Just like that. In there. Just like that. That is, I never even said the name of this yet. Racing Miku 2013 from Good Smile. It doesn't really sit well too on my table. Too well on my table, but it probably sit. Oh no, really well on my desk. No, my shelf. I could put it on my desk. So let me just turn her around a bit. Show her off. Could show her. I'll be taking better pictures and probably putting them in. Anyways, let me put it up to the camera. Say hello, Miku. Yep. Alright, so overall impressions, she's amazing. What else can I say? Yeah, I'm just super excited. Anyways, thanks for watching.